basic swim baits. And then, you know, like I showed you how I was dropping it, yeah, so I brought a lot of jigs from there, swim jigs, all kind of jigs. This is new. The guy told me yesterday it's new. They just, it's not make them
flickers on top of the water.
Nah, chatterbait is what you throw. I ain't gonna get it like, I ain't gonna get that kind. We got a lot of stuff. Yeah.
That matters, right? Yeah.
I caught the ones in the.
Sometimes catches more bass than I do.
Then I'm gonna get some of these skirted ones. You got African special. South African special. It's not built like it's something else. It don't even look like watermelon red flakes sometimes. Yep. The watermelon slice is nice. That's for nothing else, cause the fish hit the top water so hard. Right.
Now, if I want to take that same bait, get it caught on that grass line, it's going to fall straight out. I'm going to catch that thing. But she was in the garden, one part of that bill. Why?
You want to get that color? Get that orange color right.
I like, what is this?
Well, no, you can't. Well, transition pack. You can put the hook in there like that, or it's another style of hook the same way. But it.
Oh yeah, because I got the hook for it.
Yeah. Like that.
Yeah.
All right. What's that? 6?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Got a lot of stuff. Yeah. Style. Crawl style. Yeah.
So like swim baits and stuff, we got our new swim baits down here on the other end and everything.
That matters, right? Yeah.
I caught the ones in the.
Sometimes catches more bass than I do.
All of them smell like that?
All of them. Then I'm gonna get some of these skirted ones.
So good skirties on.
Yeah. Chatterbaits right here. I'm gonna get this buzzbait right here. Same thing with frogs, black and white. What you get? What you get? See if I can hook you up or something.
I don't know. Oh.
Yeah, so I brought a lot of jigs from there, swim jigs, all kind of jigs. And then, you know, like I showed you how I was dropping it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so I brought a lot of jigs from there, swim jigs, all kind of jigs. So. Make them.
Flickers on top of the water.
Nah, chatterbait is what you throw. I ain't gonna get it like, I ain't gonna get that kind. And what's behind this flute? You got gold pearl, so it's different Southwest African special. South African special. It's not bad. Green flake. Funny, you look like watermelon red flakes sometimes. Yeah. Just right. Yep. The watermelon slice is nice. You know, you don't even wanna. That's for nothing else, cause the fish hit the top water so hard.